where Linda right now? Now I am in Korong, but this place called Small Island Village. Wow, very nice and very beautiful. Also, a lot of Khmer people live here, very friendly, and like local people, and then also have a lot of tourists and Barang people. He live here. Also, he open a business like a bar, restaurant, yeah, guest house, hotel, something like that. Wow, you know, and people live here like very nice. You know what is very nice, very friendly, and my people and tourist people. He live here with a sample like wow, and amazing. I like that. Also, this place like have the small market, have everything. Do you want to buy something? Yeah, everything is have. Like you know what? This place is not people to live very easy because have everything. Have about a school and a hospital. You don't worry about too much about go to a city. So it's not far from city like from Central World come here like about 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Yeah, easy. Also people buy everything come to this place for sale. Yeah. Don't worry about food, don't worry about when you say you want to go to doctor something here have everything. So also food here very delicious and cheap price. Who want to live here, who want to holiday for villa when you are tired, yeah, want to see some place. This place is not big. My room I stay in a free house, very nice. Also and quiet. I really like that for villa, about my room come here like working like 5 minutes, like like the market. Also you want to drink like have bar, restaurant, club also. Do you want to drink? Do you want to party night time? Everything have here. Also room here not expensive. Yeah, have one night $15, $20. But my room I stay in a free house. Stay like one night like $50, something like that. Also right now in Cambodian raining season. Wow, but not raining season. Wow, I'm very have fun this place. Yeah. Also I like to do a snorkel to see area about like that. I like to swim also. You see guys? Yeah, very nice and beautiful. But do you want to see in like place I stay like free house? Okay, you can wait in a little bit. I will show you. But right now I want to show you around about here. How beautiful and a nice place about Khmer people live and local people. Yep, let's go with me. Check yourself, guys. Looking around. Let's go. Okay, you see, guys. Yeah, go looking around with me. So right now it's quiet because raining. People staying inside in a room. Don't go out. It's nice place. Have a restaurant and hotel. Yeah. Which one you want to stay? You want to stay cheap price? You have to stay in guest house like one night $15, $20, something like that. You see guys, have everything. Like the market. Have pharmacy, have everything. Yeah. Run motorbike one day how much? $10, $15 for looking around with the mountain. Also have the clothes, which one you want, which one you like for woman, for man. It's nice. Like this place like a small island, but have everything. I will love that. Very easy to live here. Who want to relax, who want to live here, whatever. You see guys, have everything. Yeah. I like this place. Yeah. Right now, like 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Yeah, quiet. But night time also people come to drink and eat and yeah, party something like a small bar, small club here. Also have a pass up. You want to go looking around in the mountain and island. What you want to do, you have, you want motorbike, you can run for motorbike, go looking around, yeah, in the mountain, no problem. You see guys, this bar, who like party time, yeah, you can take looking about this place, it's nice. This place called Koh Rong the same, but different name, different island. Yeah. You see, have everything. Don't worry about don't have food. Have food, have bar, have everything. What you want. You see, guys. Also, raining still have summer tourist. He come to Villa here with the family. Everything okay, no problem. But not so much tourist summer to come because and right now in Cambodia have raining a lot, like rainy season. Yeah, you see. But people tourists enjoy time to come here for villa. Yeah, because it's nice place in Cambodia. So right now I just go looking around a little bit already. I also show you around here a little bit also because raining. I don't know how to do right now. Just come to Villa a little bit and will show you around again. But you know what? I enjoy with Uncle B. Cheer everyone, my love friend. So this place and yeah, it's small place like an island, but I really love that. Before I go to Koh Rong Salam outside, Koh Rong Salam inside, and Koh Rong Salam 23, but this place my first time. Yeah, but I really like that because a lot of my people live here and local people. Yeah, like original life, like real life. I love that. Also, I see in tourists and like you know in Cambodia called like Barang people. He live here. He opened a bar. He opened a restaurant. He opened a hotel like guest house something. Also, you know what? And have place for go to exercise like gym. Do you want to your body like handsome and beautiful? The place very nice. You want to come to live here? Do you want to come to holiday for villa here when you are tired? It's nice, you know. Enjoy like about holiday. Why not? So this place like it's nice like. You know, I don't know how to say because I like that. Because have a lot of my food and barang food. Do you want to eat a pizza and a hamburger? You know, have everything like lokla, beef and everything my food here. If you want to. Yeah. I think maybe stop raining. I will show you again around here. Yeah, but still a little bit raining. I just come to Villa and then I make video later again for show everyone about here how is night play here, about how night people and my people very friendly like that. You know, maybe you have to try for one day come to Cambodia, come to see Temple Angkor Wat, how beautiful, and Temple Angkor Wat. You know what? An amazing temple. You never see before, right? If you want to see, you can try come to Cambodia to see. So how beautiful about Cambodian like that. Temple in Cambodian very old year and very long year, like more than 1,000 years old like that. You never come, you never know like that. Okay, everyone, cheer. Thank you for you looking my video, but please waiting me a little bit. We'll show you another video around here. Thank you.